Time check 13 minutes after 8 o'clock. Osafo Joseph Osafo Majimedra Ewo Sompa 106.5 FM here. Yana yede Sompa Rhapsody edebro. Anopay you know yatina si na no say nimdie enyansa entiase eniema ebobra ho ban edinda wanambo na di busi na ema obobra se onipa o dachi na wenda so mara husempa na minke mintam kese na me bosi memranti bremu mentia futu elabina binyo mranti mabawa utieme akama yasa mudao Proverbs the chapter number 2, the verse 10 and 11. Emebusam etimieno yimo edu anedubako. When wisdom enters your heart and knowledge is pleasant to your soul, discretion will preserve you. Understanding will keep you. Saoma nyansa eura kumemu na oma okra edon mudia enya adwene pa ba helso na entiase enso abon ho ban sa taxi ye me ma me awanye ba bi ko Rebecca Ekosia Adu Sorry nyina se kwa me adun papa helso na ntase abon ho ban Pesa di jame no adwene pa entiase Saoma kwa me nyansa ewura wakoma mu na okra edon mu die dia My God and you didn't papa hell so Nantiase abon ho ban When wisdom enters your heart and knowledge is pleasant to your soul, discretion will preserve you. Understanding will keep you. And you try and see. Obrano a purposeful. Etu anamo ba koni etumi enu. Nina into basabasa. One step to the other. One reason to the other. One choice to the other. You cannot mess up. Yakai say. Se ububrianwa. Kai say unyame eka. Na so fere mudie eka ho. Azani na lasulai oche masase mametoye 90.5 enkrofo fie mo tinetu minya baby from meeting to bekunko bi man says ade na akoko ho sa ade aka everybody na sanachia aka everybody na sanachia When wisdom enters your heart and knowledge is pleasant to your soul, discretion will preserve you, understanding will keep you. Nyasa uro kumamuno na entiase eyadia edo wokra konwa. And you are doing Papa Helso. Antiasia bon ho ban. Anopa me di nyansa brewo. Anopa me di ntiasia ebrewo. Anopa me se buye wadwene mu. Me count na se wotie sa program here. Madafu ye kan se me do.
Na so me pani dia famous.
Me ire se me do. Ye future me do.
Na so ahwe
me count na se ebisi wi. Enti anopa ya madme do idie. Na chese mene die enu mene ignorance na ebe kontokwa. Mene nyansa ebe hia jimi. Mene ntiasie ebe hia de onte niema se. Mene ehumu ebe hia de najuma ne kesene. My God.
Kama yesa mupei suku hima ufodi mikobi na sukoda boni semti mayire mi wensu de oyi medi kwan so mayedi kan be de achire ma ko nyina ye jambi timamu foma di sui mi agro
JHS for amoko chromo so here na me ba ha be ka chire mo se mama foma di sui mi agro e ko sai Mucha na samancha Matisa over 600,000 students and a BEC exams. Hey, Ghana. So anybody I can't say 1 yard here. I'm not going to 1,000. Yeah, the man of Bravo ye baby. Listen, me, I am opposed to BEC. Meka can be. Mommy and man crown quine. Basic school. Me and fan social and discriminate, sir. It's wrong. And I mean it. Yes, I could be in your coins of medical school. They say, I'm not going to be a Sabian Yadi. Over who says school corner a bay another burden. Why are we doing this to ourselves in this nation? Why? Mammy be answering at the gym. Papa be ne buafu ani ti ya pai. E blood pressure kura kosoro. Every Sunday bana yade. Enya oba no why? We have a system. Very unfortunate. Baby mama ama woma ekoso na woma bibi wonya biye no. Na amagana emma. Baby anche biya no on the streets. This nation sometimes we are joking. Lord have mercy. Enter no pain on Besamitie and so can say see fire. And that program Messamuka Krabi. Besamitie from mothers, fathers. And my friend Crasso and from me. Tell me how did it go? Many press like a free shukakra. And in my friend lines, no. In the real lines, they say, now many press like Dinko, a psychologist said, and crouch and so here we are. What happens? What are the fallout? A dear na ya parent eka. A dear na young cranosoka. And now it is a crab because we're trying to school crown kubio. The boy fuema. When ya pokran kobeshi. Lines no 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65 0260 1960 64 020 1960 65. friend na me no any come na me hu de see ya awon so henu wako akofele forms na fe no my placement and the problems o mano sana was is for how are your children taking it Priscilla and so he ejebo nyabedu na edena what from some parents
di kind remember etiefoni na achi BC ni there it's a sembebre I just me dream time I miss me throw BC anxiety woman for me I'm the last born in T
okay
me trained because me knew anoma set pace bia o makoko top schools
and now they have
see before results they about no empire o boy they say ready boy me but yeah enyema bebre parents go through a lot o manage oba no say obenya good grade obetimi akọ school of oba na cause choice one kasasa also dream sikaseme womu
okay
maybe your first child so obenya good school o money be o hospital why basa
Praise mama na me lines no 026019 6064 026019 6065 026019 6064 026019 6065 friend me be say me hu so hene ba no ba no osese enkura no how are they feeling na o ma me no so how are you feeling papa how are you feeling Pressa yankoso
nti results about ko check ubanya 20
25
there
yes you cry 50 hey aseme cry
20 there he na e ko then e betimi anti then already now I start to dream
okay
school ben obetimi akọ
okay
yina yenim say grade A school see I can want me presec in fancy pim maybe ebusuanu mu na papa ko
no mom pay 25 year
papa ko fancy pim kolani na entire tradition bia e wo ho enti disappointment akolana ye basa osun all of those things are here abeye like burden
okay
na and akolana because they are in a very delicate stage of their lives because some are adolescents adolescents no mebunu no omo afena omo explore senior who they are their identity ne you know and I design your man and a chair say modern mo and our bone and I only enemy na ko school be a try won kwa koya 20 and what's the minimum obenya all of these comments near dino ebe my problems any pressure for nothing and kolano go to a lot so
the nkra akrabia see akraba akose on the school ground ko bi
because me ko bi because mona mo say I was onya sisi o mo ye ne say 6 ones and I say mo ye ne 6 ones first na ye 10 ones just onya 10 ones I think and about 9 and I just onya perfect score but obu o kra dia no expect kra say obenya ayi maybe 10 po into 14 na wenya ne ni ji aje no because maybe the continuous assessment of school no chair say or no schools be all cry among man kolano maybe group class A the better class B the no really way into no obudu hu abonfia deda
ana wa kutwa be
wa sa ko twa ze no be school no kra man ko bi mkra ye me kusua carpentry bi kwa na me tell me baby and I say social media aba me kusua makeup na bibia me ye sika kra chen mo ko school no enti ebu o mabem na twamfoni bi a chen say there's not much mean to me from my brother onye bibia sa because BEC a define me say me level ni because a lot of ohwe woni nkola penyifo bebre ye kasa no mo come issues as men try me call maybe school and now me person me call, now me person me call Wesley girls, person me call Bree girls, Holy Child near day. Menya me call school binti. Into because of that instance, only paconology is that's the end of me. Into idea. Parents now was saying who say a idea affect your man because akwa say a defining moment my brabo. From one fee sabi seen and call the next stage and then I bet you one go school papa and moon soon send because old drink and everybody was see you better was in the idea na call university. So a serious issues a man colano abemubu pa and when I'm penny parents are here this is the time I'll banu oh dear bobo ni oyewe which my for a droopy crown say there's no purpose for me because me to me and try me they call me next level
and the principle boy at this stage omo yen kora tinga kora de nke we say said in no efina o ma dwene esi hihye efina ma tinka esi hihye what do you think examination does poorly the examination does poorly for enkora enyini say especially I'm talking about the basic schools up to Jesus it's the basic secondary school they don't make but omo basic and yeah the social what do you think
in so any dear the pressure at home so on say nkolano they are now developing that teenage years no e be more defining as from 10 years e be to 12 near day but from 12 years kono na we free upper primary we were junior secondary school or junior high school enti nyema bi afina for me wo dream wo abstract thinking say wutimi dream nyema chese anu odi ana say hu ye difficult ka kan kwa afina shase enti in social ye de chese akola we wo hase it me problematic pa because akola bi wo ho a ogusu de enyi enti in so na baba ye concrete chese eno na ye hwe it's either A and B when ya we are no chair will level awo
Mrs. Mommy, amount for number no again 0260196064 0260196064 0260196065 ye pese etie mombano nsemen woka GHS BEC results na binance 0260196064 0260196064 and 0260196065 obi eba line 2 no so oh sorry line out by us after you 0260196064 0260196064 and 0260196065 0260196065 bomodi ana fre na chain so hwene bae no oba na sesen aseme no woka onso fere se president aso
enti pressure na dey man nkolano de bia competition say metwa obi anase meya ade me kofie me papa be ka se na utina na TV kaka ne oni mani wadi die unsua hwe enti at a young age no na adwini na abeye competitive
just a sikan kwa
adisua no nye an exploration of knowledge say ye ka say what is matter
repeat hobby adisua no nye say akora no just all fifi ni memu no what ni mase
but the education in na say uba bedroom pempenso bia
oba transfer we twa asa
that is what the picture is show but the education munu kai was say who say okay ye be a dream to see a lot of things. Anything I acquire, yen science panel, yen mass panel, yen may make an RME minimum kind of creative arts name different. Ye person different aspects of life. And see,
I'm for 0260196064, 0260196064, and 0260196065, 0260196065. My auntie dear Obaneka, my auntie dear also feeling.
And see, so I didn't know exploration of knowledge. In Pino, Ubisa, sometimes Ubako social media, now for maybe back in the day, throw back Nesanya Mana. No Mubisam say, maybe near maybe a Musia, ye mass, near maybe
by R square.
By see, I metis, hey, pa, then I'm the Pie Square. For my brother. Then I'm the bar. It's like me,
Pie Square.
Me, what idea, Pie Square, no. Contributed to my life currently. I'm meditating.
Now, I want me to dress it. What me the measure?
Me fan dressing.
Now they
people. And see, I suppose me say like principle be a suya. Not she said, "Who ring Baba? One ring Baba." I say, "Hey, why didn't Baba bow?"
I just say, "Additional boy, ma, yet me am
currently." In Yemen, we had a basic, that's what mathematics is, a calculation in Yema, whether we are only accountants or we are math prodigy or whatever. You need math for basic, or to dear cry, also moon system, and no day, say. But Yemen will be some percent to see pa. Every quite a rough in say social studies here, answers all and say degradation, lack of social amenities.
You see, land degradation, yeah. And so good fine. And so many are gonna ha. And fee many ye. Me me pania for the yet. 87 yen pania. And ye chain land degradation. A chain land filling. Fire is a good master. Fire is also a bad master. Hey, Ghana. Educational system, yeah.
Yeah, say, and your money be a build up from one level, which is fine. But
this is so mommy.
Okay.
I'm on for 0260 1964, 0260 1964, 0260 1965, 0260 1965. Fred, maybe some tea, the Momano exams nearby. Then walk. How are they feeling? What is happening to them? And then Uncle in Yamepa.
I think that's the last 2 weeks to say. And I may come be and I may catch you be so Kaya Buma Sumana. Agree.
And here events says, oh, Gino. Near flew air for me. What?
Yeah.
Rumen and a day.
And I'm
almost. Because Madame Vargose, so I almost win the fire power because it's safety. Wabomasum, 10 your kaipa.
I think it was a final.
This is a moment to be a line. So, hello. Oh, article. I'm on for an airlines number. I'm on Kaibi 0260 60 0260 1964. 0260 1964 and 0260 1965 0260 1965 yanko
enti enu na meka abuma suma semi say sisi pa
na na so mane bo asum
I don't know how this one got stuck with me, but maybe Dino. I think the name was so fascinating to me that I can't make Kaya and I make Kaya say, Amuka say ruminancy be wa. Meaning say ruminancy na we can correct.
This is a mommy. Hello.
Hello, Papa. Good morning.
Good morning, you Auntie Forson.
Oh, I don't know if the Barcelona president.
Amen.
Yeah, so tell my phone now. I'm a Broma.
Okay.
I came back to us and I think now I cannot. It's no about buying and setting up and said, on Shamami. Yes, I can't send them to tell sitting as some more. I said about them. Hey, you're not idiot. You're not idiot. Papa is getting a ready to come back. I think we're going to make our party. It's been done our party. You remember my man. Yeah, you know, I'm a party. What? We not there for our party. Soon. Without that, I think one night.
Onyai.
When I don't know when you're better 29.
Nti na ne ra ho hu.
Man, the man, Miss Manabi and Baby and the Jews in the Mikaela. Now, I want you to our party. Who the good what? Don't put it. If you are them when I do the cooking. So, then I do the other journey. Then I'm going to be playing right after the weekend. No one but no surprise.
Why are they papa?
How can you know you never make when only part of the city come up and what is the baby? No, I'm a big no. I don't have enough to get done anything.
Why are they papa?
I want to find I mean, I hope you keep
Yo.
Oh,
Baby, sending crown. Why are they? Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Eja.
I'm
Mo Eja Chemi Obano Ekosing.
Yo, I'm not doing the money. I want to share with the mind.
Okay.
And I'm never make a visit. The education out there to a four and younger. And the correct. Because the quarter young for mathematics.
Okay, now you see.
Mathematics.
Mathematics. Eh, so what be? Also, you have pie square in Biana. Hey! Why are they? What be?
One could be a new friend to follow the way here.
If I say,
To follow the way here. Technology.
wait, they?
Here.
With fear.
You only say.
Tears.
And with tears. That's a who see and I say, hey!
That was.
Wow.
Let's know. Question of the town. Your job was happening to providing
Ditto.
You did that with free man.
Hey!
Without person, we don't. My question, yeah. That one question, we be telling.
Wow.
Yet, you don't to put you more for which one provided answer.
When they find Baba, Udi Baba.
And you do. That's the crazy system there for.
Oh.
I guess, and that's your money will be not yet after the system. A war, my own.
I mean, sure. Please, we have one. So, hello.
Hello. Yeah, but good morning.
Hey, one day. Just one day.
Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
Just one day now. At the same.
Daddy, but you're a good one.
But on a JHS for results, he was there.
But but I'm paying a good point now and it's now. But then me buy into the
Okay.
Now, you'll be a Michelle Colano crying at her.
That's good.
Shem common crying. But I do that for making there. In Colabe 5, the system law Macatomo GFS. That is, anyone who might be done the result I would be about Jeremy.
Oh!
Maybe that I know now, who gave me more Jeremy.
Just a 9 and a number 50 money, I don't know. Jesus.
It be some no move to me, Bobana, my charger at my encourage almost there. We're near end of my life.
Very good point. Very good point. That's right. That's right. That's right.
omo ana de ba ko so mi hu ba ko ka kire mi se o te ni ma mi se eye pa se omo choose school ni na ko omo choose school ne be an pa in se ke we se ye ni ba ni nya e no what so ko school ba o le ye in koko bi grant a obenya won pa so te sa na ni ma mi kai e ka kire na se o ma e di me ko ni ma mi o te ni ma mi se ye pa se omo choose school no
say or the sikana on the hand or the nyankukwa. What a humanizing labor. Oh my God.
Mama mi baako akula ni baako na eka cheme za. Itini zeme kwa ko woni ma mi de na kata.
Why are they? Why are they? Exactly. Exactly. Why are they?
And I don't pay me one color. Obi a obi bisa ni bia dodo na omo to me inbo grade no.
Omo to me inbo.
Because me sure so obi a onya be 7 na sister. Ona akukudo na gbogbo acha o se nya 7. But obi a onya onam 30 40 more there. O to me nya ka akukudo no mbo nchira o. Ndi that is akupon enchira mo.
I mean sure, just one day. I mean sure, Papa. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, madam. Macho when you?
Mpacho friend Mariam.
Mariam, kasa.
Me prefi akra.
Asem na si.
Me pacho asem akra me say make understand. I say poor performance me a trend. And we would have to identify where the problems are coming from. Otherwise, we would keep discussing this every time. Make I say I could be a minimum on certain yards, but not only other students be a oya dear pa and in some power. No man for finance, at the end of the time, no, he was the one who won the best student award.
Wow.
You wouldn't say. You wouldn't say, yet to me the airport Kakra is still Mount Padana at the one. Obi wa ni bia ni say we share school fees. So Padana homework Hawaii on the little things on them. Now say we are putting in those baby steps now. We can't expect a miracle at the end of the day. And even our check system can also help. At least say you know. Even with the secondary school, I mean, recently, students are buying or say, they notes no our tablet so. Now they say they are okay kind notes, they are near and they are not a baby. It may be sound to say, I didn't know kind of. He may be deceived that he knows the thing because he's carrying a government provided tablet around. But now when they are learning, they don't write. And writing is a way to help you reinforce what you are learning. Indeed, fundamentally, they have so many distractions.
Right.
And if we don't put in guardrails, we are not going anywhere, honestly.
Very good point there, Papa. And sister, yeah, that's Papa. Very good point, Pano de Abano. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
If I think, when you get time, and you are so you are going to call it.
Okay. What's it? Were you there? Oh, yeah, time. 3 years. Okay. Oh, sorry. San Fred, also a GHS 3 years. When you're 35 on Twinkle School. Oh. Some of these things. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Eja. I can't tell you, Kakasa.
Yo, your friend is Sam.
Yo.
Now, me can't say me really now. Me pay aggregate.
Okay.
12 1.
Okay.
Now, me 9 1 with 3 schools.
Okay.
And the school I'm a Permanyanko.
Oh, where are we?
And Madame Punwa, the new Oceanina, Amuko, schools now, like a person. Now, maybe your mom is and I'm telling a 12 one with my 9 grade one. Then go to school for phone. You are school boy, but so I didn't know how me. My mom was the young come, the person my brother for no, and to him go. It's in the court for no, but he and one for no more than go. It's been a law. I need to take my life back. And I think that it's not a bit but yeah, I can say, could be seen in the best. I decided I call on it and your mind now you say,
Asempa no penny can you? Asempa.
But we don't know only have the text at that time. We are only engineers. Korea.
One more engineers and there.
Engineers. But that's about one visual art. Visual art, no, not for Ukraine and all your pilot.
Hey!
Am I young and
35 for now, pilot.
And visual art, and the pilot system. And she said, the message mathematics. I got me for you. I got me in carpentry. I don't get the time they happen. We should find to support for the child.
That's right.
The child to continue. That's to be all.
That's right.
Yeah, you're going. I'm not baby. I get my first
na anka wanya 9 ones I didn't want to go school.
Any 9 ones I didn't. Nti moment yanke bi la bona te ba han you go mo be da. Ya to mo be di te mo o to ba da na. Te ne ye yo ma.
Mate, that's papa. President, on in your man, papa, make come. Or no quite on your 9 ones, so. But when your placement, I just I don't know what is wrong with us. And hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm in sure of Panama with a man.
Yeah, that's it.
I told we did
okay.
I'm a coach. I'm going to run out 34 and I'm 33.
34, 33. I'm saying next time I'm only 11 subjects. I think that's so. And 33, 34.
So, Menaka, may have one or my students to me. So, they are all here with the young woman, as man performance or mount so only. No, I don't know. Okay, now, no after all, John Master or money and your mouth or mouth. I mean, really, results by commenting on country.
Oh, am I a man and Bema? Marco school, I could feel it. School placement from Snana.
Almost the results I buy him. Almost waiting.
I was saying what the course or fill placement forms now or the co school. Friday, yeah, I say a deadline or something like that. But more than
this or this some of the there's almost an encounter of a unknown. So, or friends, or friends of the guys that we have Spain. I'm going to do not okay. So, you're about mama or my sailor no.
One papa way.
The passion of Master.
Auntie Manapa Uncle Philly Momo. I janum Philly Momo. I any responsibility. Why? What an income? Good. Mama go school. Mama Montrevi. Why are you? Shamunkura. Why? Already. Indeed, I'm at 23. Yeah. Why are you? Why?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, yeah.
So, me teacher. Now, we come for. Okay.
Okay.
Pentina, if you move it not a beautiful photo.
Okay.
It's not the video. But to be in any system, for another nation, and results a man. It can be simple. No, Australia, a baby.
Okay. And also say, Nadri Monodia, your man Abano. I'm on party, and Untiana and Krana and ye, and Yadiano. Yo, Ebehe. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Okay, Prof. Mariam, Namasabe.
Okay, what's up?
Teacher about prayer or saying what I didn't see. In the partial way, I said, double edged sword. Meaning, sir, in Fadano, because of distractions, means if you are going to be Omunsia, cry, and Omunsia, that's another thing.
Okay.
Learning how to learn is another.
Okay.
Okay. Then another thing is that schools do especially in your more remote areas, teachers know we are dedicated, no Omusa. If you are far, the teachers never they are interested in doing business.
Okay.
Yamama say, if you are one, Padano could do a phone number teachers living.
Hey.
In the make also be mention and if you stand in school on them, no catch them at all. After class 6, no, one hundred was of the podium because we are more Nimono or Nimono, if you are no more. And it makes no sense. So we also need to see the distribution of the poor performance there. And which areas? Now, we need to make a good analysis to see the root causes of some of these things because teachers need so are not allowing the children to make good use of their learning time in school. And I see a decline for more school, almost a business, almost shop.
Hey!
Yes, I was very surprised. Please, I'll be happy an investigation is done into this thing because it's very sad to be paid and then you let the children. If you are almost near the animal teachers, I was surprised. In the they contribute. You bring yam, you bring this. So they provide you your food as well, and they cook for you in turn. And they can't go and farm. It's terrible. Please, I'll be happy. Sompa researching that on investigation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hey, President Yamakosu, One go school ha business. Na je say won nyabere enti sene Mariam I ka no as I say atwa a teacher for no my infant last call a teacher for no say nkra no yade e bi so business. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Feel ready, you know why? Nah. Oh, and you do not because you have feedback. Kasa.
Hello, Patrick.
I have fake Kasa.
Let us show you. That is good morning.
Good morning.
Also, man, of the moon can be
Amen.
Yan says in a young one, because the first guy I knew to go, young Kalana and Yadan, young Monsieur. I can't someone to say, you better.
Yes, you'll be so. I
know what I say. May cause to say yes. Hey, let me hear from 4.
Okay.
And so no, I live on a no because to that time on offer. No map being Catacata being flooding and no mapping. Almost the first free class 1, and live on your living more. First, second, free class 1 up to Form 4. As you do say, I want to drop Form 4 exam. One fee, one pass. I'm a near pocket here, this one will be passing. Hey! And I'm so ready. And you and someone said we want it. I'm going to be who might be proud. And your band is a headmaster, no, yes, or that work for another man for school. And the headmaster, no, for another papa was one because we thought it was a one passing on making good topic. And I'm sure my Parana will a word, Papa Nam one not by Headmaster Nika said, Papa Nam one on a social, Papa Nam one Headmaster, Papa in Headmaster Jai. I'm a Parana, the one woman, so I call him 10 trouble. Soon, my dear Pa. Soon, my dear Papa. I'm able money a bucket to the shop for the Canary. Oh, and you are a poor man and your school.
Right.
Don't you for an ocean and your school. Then you are within a year. And Champana, I know what car and Quatas and just anyone pushing us all. And I'm a 200 almost them because we get the questions of Panamaniati, made a question. Tamaniati, on the person here, what was the
you.
The person you have a box, then a many other show. And when we are for some crying for sale, I grab in a way and I grab in a way.
You.
And your man is a hotel. And the other man, rather, my answer comes from maybe the ministry of the man may have a brother than 5 years or more. The national and customer better woman running for your bonnet.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, Papa. Amen. I was for Uti somewhere be here. Who say, media, my position on BC, dear Makana, Minya, so that as a psychologist, may say, basic schools, no. Every primary one they call GHS no, and say any major examination ye determine say one a because secondary school now one enco one a being admission and one in admission. I think is wrong. At mofano stages no or my disuana or more adrenaline no in various stages a developing brain obedient yentem a thing so no. Factors be brave and contribute to non-performance. Nadia, Hakran say, Akrano, a be a 1 year, na nema menum, nejanum, libels. What they say, Obi say, masemi sika me de koto nkoko enye nkranka eso mfaso na wo a parent ekasa akira kora yi a ya na ye mame fo ne agye no ma menim se e de sika na gure mu na ya de but asemi o ha wo ka ajasa wo ti akra no sunsum so wo bu no wo se no wo bra no you are destroying your own child and the mum yenya sansam asansam na ka yenya ka na wo ti de ebinim eka say is destructive obi say wa bon na o de sansam no wa bon no akan kase me kase obi abon ase kyene say e bon kyere say ade ya apro ade ya yinka enka na nye abon, that's what it means. A yinka enye. And to catch that crasa kura bonga. What do you think you are doing to the child? And te wabon when mo share your bako tiwi. I can kase mo. So I can say obiti ewa tiwi. Uti any ewu. Maybe some more share the imagery. So I can say obiti ewa. Uti wa obet me atanase. It means that you say it's like a dead end. Now, you decide you know to your manager. Now, send me SHS for business income. And almost say, almost say the SHS exams and so a do or die affair. One child wabra bus say. Now the hear me and say almost say, or my teacher for no catcher almost say. And your teacher for a teacher for be a catcher almost say. So one child SSC and I found was here. When Joasina wabrabo I say. And we prepare the children right from JHS. Near the more abedu SHS. Now it is a defeatist mentality. And kugwa ye wuromo. Yet the competition a wuromo. Why are we doing this to ourselves? And maybe I miss me position. I say enye. Yeah, man, crying that opportunity seamlessly. Continuous, a kind of say assessment. Sa no we na wako fill the forms. No ko school so ko. We do secondary school. They have developed abstract thinking. Imagine if you say a developer into bet to me also was assess na. It makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense. But when I say obi 35 42 Mati obi offer earlier on or say na nkro from e bi twitwa say 23 or 30 something ama ene obi kwa a pilot e bi engineers so enso na Ghana ha no school no person work on wonya nko da e bi say emfa no and our educational system is so discriminatory and inclusive at all yim sa ya yes mass yanko so da ya yes moon me hu say the moon ya the machine ko si osrane so da besi ne yigu so yenko srane so e mente se Ghana ni bi e de machine bi afi ana e se de cost mass smart bi da pi square rumen reticulum obansum abomasum sare I was therefore meno may JHS may pioneer nti meno may I speak from experience na anche bia me be book bi on I'm speaking from experience won ko bi da won te make an say yan you fear yan e guinea pigs and my reviews on this thing system na ye Jesus say background na sanity na baby what this skill me ko bi and me saying me to me the idea up to today me I met me the mensa up my day. That was a kind of JHS amisuya na me suya blacksmithing me suya a kind of say raising of birds I did do carrot and cabbage na e chere me all JHS me suya music notations e chere me all JHS me suya say carpentry joinery and carpentry me suya ni na JHS technical drawing and technical skills me suya ni na JHS and the idea ne say and Quran be nyom nsam adwuma afere akoye verbal studies and on kwa and I went China antibrofo and I went 1,000 we are say mano we say mo 600,000 me say over na cultural sorry e bi entwa enti ye mfa na ko school one na ma mo say fe nam kru Now, am I pick pockets? Now, I mean, no, acquire the let us stop missing nation building. Intentionality in the building. The idea, Yamwamba. Osafo, me try me hunto, me ba, ye better so.
Nemeninia do me penny feel so. I brought it enough from you. Nanso me me coming chibien. Mama Becca will be my soul. Hey, day, hey,
aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokunonua. Yeti yellow corner vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more to dokuno montenso. And no more to etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuno sevu a wo ho. Wo de free. Na yen customizing the mount. Say the wusi penny bia. Protein opese de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say obie say just hot kinky enwa and you serve ya wo just bakery e wo dome commercial bank in chenwa enti freying and wo 02560688832 na yen customize your orders ne maw never serve wo say the wusi pen pepe just hot kinky eh hot.
Yaba, I Sompa delight. Yediabro, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Oh, Nesha so Frobi, Nobi, so Frobi, Nakashani said, Abna Rufi. It was Sompa 106.5 FM. Or the Sompa delight, Abro. Thank you,
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Sakikwambo.
Onyakupondi for Wastrano Ewe Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Riahon what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And mass some perfect service in Chow Home Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if you are Danopa. Anopa no.
Miss Robrema, I am you. Not that I could any susa. I'm Sapona Dino, and so was so. Miss Ron Mammy. Hey, I could that do so Musano. Check, you caught a little grapho. With a mammy diaper. Diaper no cruddy. Master Sassa, me only a minion. Ah, a diaper na. She diaper for abedja so a perfect baby diaper. Perfect baby diaper make an answer me. A chin swankasa, a muya motona, the bakwadana, and sunset beer and perfect baby diaper make a yanagana hey na a buagana kwadan swankasa. Ah, on a now way. Make up a perfect baby.
FDA, a Jodian Cratway, Atum.
And Monday a jamum media Sunday abram. Way a free 3 butterfly school. TBM 3 butterflies school. So ba enya busumi ensa ekosi emfienum. Na wo pesukua wo de ne bakwa wo sumu becho. Wo da wo beda. Wo benyan teteye. Wo beku nanim wo anwumesuemu. Na duma chede wo ne mu nyina ebepia. Eye 3 butterfly school. Yemo British and GE do ballet. And ye kanka ho. And about time and so ye wo app bi a ye de mamu adwene mu wo mu masuemu e wo EYLOG app ne so a ye di eye adwuma na de de ne say anopo no nsia pemu pepepe ne school na bie kopem enumre no nsia apemu 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. when the about time ye ho atoye enti fa wo ba ne bra se wonya bosome miensa e be si emfie no mu a fa ne bra 3 butterfly school obesua de obedi agoro na wo banyi ne ye 3 butterfly school se wo hwehwe ye kira kwan ye wo Eastleigh Legon 8 Popo Street ɛhɔ ne ɛwɔ frɛ yɛn ɛwɔ 055 609 4071 yɛn website ɛyɛ www.3butterfliesghana.com yɛn email ɛyɛ 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com 3 Butterfly School. We learn, we play, and we grow.
Akwada hu da chama na ni age. Na so me pani de afem me se. Ye ni emre nka so. Oh. Akama ya so mo pen.
Akwada hu da chiana na ni age. Opani twa na ni anani raho. Mara hu sempa na mi ken. Mintam kese na mi bosi. Me mranti bre moment ya futuo. Ela mi na mi ni o. Mranti ani mabawa mutie me. Akama ya sa muda o. Kama yesa mupen suku yi ma ufodi mi kobi na sukoda boni semti manyire mi wensu de oyi mani kwan so maye di kan be di achre ma fo nyina ye jami ti mamu for madisuan yi ni agro mamu for madisuan yi ni agro kra aka emrebeti na sanija aka sanfu so mi Sikani awafana mi wapio Disike nyina wamenum Miti mahodi nyina sumemba Kama kwanza mufwa na misamemu
Au Lebi Sa utie Sompa Rhapsody Won sign enko fire Obeya dear papa bravo bekoyi Ebusafo me welcome back at the Sompa Rhapsody yedinam Sompa 106.5 or say was year ma aketuapa ye di kan ene omanfo edi nkomo efa BC results ya abey ne the fallout then pattern ben you adding na ye mano enya de akra no ensem ben na parents bi e ka kire mamba wo bi say minya akra nka me de sika no koto nkoko ene say nkoko nketenkete me nyenya ya mokra nka omoso mfa so sen wo bi say wo abon wo bi say wo sani sika wo bi say wo tiewu abusiafo sa ensem yi no e was idi hunkomo na me pese me spend the next couple of minutes no na me de 80 many prisla edi hunkomo kakra ye be kire odi ntia wo ye egiane na oba anya de school a ensese wo ka ensem etisa e kire akora e wana disua na enhye wo nkura no se wo ye egia wo ye na wo ye ba. Why you should not talk to your child that way? It's dangerous. O say no. Na the na e young man so say awfuni bia wo ka kire wo ma say o ma bon o motie wu no akra no resource no yes na onso no di o e bia na sa awfo no okotwon so no no otwa 1 million ne die nyenyenyenyenyenyenyen enso aja resource no ayira ye hu sese ya ente wotachi na wo bana de also bana 1000 so woni say wo twa 1 million ente e am yenya ye ma no abotre na nkra ne bi o ho a won so abantem aje se ukukuru na se e ne ho adwuma egu ne sunsuo eye ne ho kuya saa baba hu an se wo peje kakra no na bum na afi ase a o ya de enti me pese ye fa saa kwan so na yes edisa ankoma me kakra ehu hia me sane ebe ya obi enkodi ni bachi ana ne ba no nkoti ma me bi nsem bi ya waka che ne ba no na akwa no enkupra na ho emfa nhye no sa nso hwe papa na mani abre na de ntia mani bre no mekere wasembe me no me ya adwuma efa ahokum ani obi ya waje ne nkwa na for the past about 17 years am I say adwuma yi no emofra nso hwe eye ekwan ba kwa emofra ifa so ebra wo wanya de na neja ne na eka nsem bi a ebra no ewo no ese no na obekuzu akasa na akra na say okay ene mabre meko yempese saadi ebeto so ende me nso hwe papa ende between now August dey begin nso hwe ho pa because JHS for na ba enchena SHS for dey enchena no break for dey begina papa ebi se wanya de na ma me no kasa wanya de no wanya ni placement pa and also a trigger for a suicidal behavior. And here na ehia me papa one of the ways of preventing suicide. So yempese enkora no ebeji omonkwa efrem nsem. And ehia me pa entina ebese ye kan wasem. And Prisla me sa ema akwaba ediba sa session yi. Prisla boy kakra yepese etwamfo nyini ede kire emofra nyini. Emofra enyini as a psychologist, what do you have to tell parents? Say jina omo adwene intellectual development. Then I will name as a psychologist. Then I will be a catcher.
Okay. Awufo who say obano or developing phase. Developing phase nature say afei na akola no onyini aha enti eniema bi wo ho a afei na brain no ye kasema na nkola wo ho kwa ye kasa o nkola ko na mpanyifo no enkasa sometimes obi kura person you be discuss we I say wo de yenya abote kakra obenyi obejai because sa enti ase we hu say akola bia was stage where dream na ye teenagers no omo chobecho BC ni ade no afei na bibi a friend abstract thinking say maybe just otiniamase ye nini na afei na develop oba no so at that stage no why sensitive because that time no na who say akwesi menu na say ya bediako me ye girl me pese me ni juwe hu me mpekasa bebre or identify seni or nipa oye ni su ene ne ban enti ya exploratory stage afina oba no nsusu ene ma bebre ya me can say ye critical for the next stage of their life. Anti-sensitivity no say they are sensitive to both praise. Say obabo mabaso. Na wakasa omenim. Nini na koso.
Okay.
Because they are developing sexually, intellectually, nini na eba. Enti no ya botre na say ye shishe omo tu. Enti usa omo ye sensitive san enti no. I was say ka nsema ebe boa omo.
Okay.
Na ehu say omo level no. Afei na eden omo eba they are progressing one stage after the other. Enti when who sa na who say by this time no I was who say ya mestre a teacher for no bebre so who say akola no the person is now learning certain things,
right?
Enti no one masa de na and direct will say abstract thinking is an ema when na wu chia kolano afena na dream bie to understand it meaningfully and I make no pay say abomasumi
the crown also go pass abomasumi
me bisa me papa say abomasum because I say yes ruminant be omu didi we are this omu chew omu
regurgitation
it was so fascinating to me. To me, coffee, me could be some. My papa said, I didn't know.
Oh yes, sir.
Why? And to me say a Greek, na me pa a Greek pa.
No money John.
Because na me pa. And I teacher no yeah dear. Send obesi a tray no. Into me who dogs ne me who goats ne sheep na moi. Na any man I kika chere no. Me we say into the yefu na ekon ba na abomasu. Hey, Juma ho. And because a developing phase, anyone say master stage near cast in stone.
Right.
Cast in stone, say the finality of it, So when you transfer away, then that's the end of your life. No. Bit me kind of story. Say me do SS. Me name the see. I just turned a new leaf, and I started doing well.
Okay.
And yetimi hu sa changes ya won kolemu at that stage now. Ebe boa teachers no especially.
Okay.
In guiding them how to teach, how to guide the students. So ebe boa omo adisuemu, what can they take? What can't they take? At which level? Proportion say ni enfa ma omo. At which point crampo ni who so much me lose concentration into a lose concentration and answer my brain.
Okay.
Can we put a subject active? I be more explore more than bibi also mutie. Yeah, sure mo ya bo ma ba. Exploring. Ye addition ye suya.
Ye bi suya de. Oh,
really.
Ento ha montie de mbaleka no montie ena priest kasa papa was say adisua na akora ni sua ento ko ben ne wo ho na igina so ye de ababon tim na ye de pencil ahye na ye mia na ye efoto na ye hwa ba just say
stretch stretch no say na me chi
stretch na de eboa and then is to relax you. And
I was stretching son.
No, the abo. Oh, my oh, my oh,
and see, after no more reasoning, any decision making, logic, ni na nini. And see who say, and you drew stage, a we pay. Say a 1 to 10. Who no say at that stage, maybe they at 5. The best or the premium is 10, but right. Drew.
Right.
And see, yes, the abstract thinking, no, somebody say Bibiano, a nini dear, but a yen drew. Right. And see, I was a boom, no more taking one step at a time. And see, yenya, they're no practical. And I will can say, and then maybe I will say, there are things that I remember up to now. Make I just as catering. There was a day, they be a call, milk coagulation. Nisanya manina, even up till now, I remember. And sometimes a boy cry or one casa who fear day, and Tinema na a treno. Yen breaking it down, yen fambra fear level, and I say day to day living. Say, Monsieur Sadie, we are. Say, Monsieur water cycle, Nisaya evaporation. How clouds form this animal practically no. Then a bit me a boy or my bravo. How can I apply this in my life? Because at the end of the day, you're free class, your day-to-day activities no, and on a battery. Make I catch inside and you see a bear of farm. Till na many just add the hono. Na ingredients no, you see for a bit me dinner, a kika boom. That practical way, no. It stayed with me up till now. Many jeho yenina, you say ye free classroom setting, no. Now we are moving towards, living beyond the yakano. Wait, catch me say, oh, I can do A, B, and C. But se me dem say na me put me in the me needing to bomb together. Now me who said this is the work of my hands. it makes more meaning than just say me. And you know, yema practical and yema no emwa. Na yen supporting kolano that you are at a stage where yema intellectual development no almost stage no omu no any yema na ye twam no brofu make us any commensurate say any no enhia say ne be ya nkola no adesua no osua no obehu ni say mommy, I like this thing, I like to read this, me kind way am manage. So mommy, this is why we do this now. Almost akola
T report me. I just said I can do this the next 4 or 5 months. Kofi Asare, Executive Director, Africa Education Watch, in May 2026.
Okay.
Also piling 10 subjects over a 5-day high stakes BECE just for school placement is torture on learners. Now they take comparison. Most of the time, when you're between 10 to 11 subjects, they write 5 days. Most of the time, 2 papers on most days. There were over 620,243 students in actual 2026. Examination centers now about 2,237 most examination centers. Now the comparison is quite interesting. I've been teaching at the University of Ghana for over 20 years now. But the comparison at the University of Ghana, we teach 5 to 7 courses over 3 months, and then we spread the examinations across 2 to 3 weeks. Then you and Korana ye come they are maybe 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, mostly 15 years. They are more 10 to 11 subjects. Omocho bees, within 5 days. You listen to the comparison. 5 days. What about University of Ghana? We teach 5 to 7 courses. Near the 3 credit by 5 year 15, 7 by 21 credit. Okay. And over 3 months, and you train for 13 weeks.
Yeah.
And that's about 3 months. Then we spread the examination across 2 to 3 weeks. Isn't it? We do this for adults age 19 and above with fully myelinated prefrontal cortices. Omo enkrano madwino enyini no. Ye mom be 2 to 3 weeks. Omo fanchro and social exams papers no 5 to 7. JHS for a feno madwino enyini no. Ya sua subject 10 to 11. So omo nchro 5 days. Universities no. Most of them write the examination in an air-conditioned halls. And we asked 13-year-old in Mofra to sit 10 papers in 5 days, often 2 in a single day, and then they travel home to prepare for tomorrow. I mean, what are we doing to ourselves? Just compare the thing. Akrana already 13 years no. What they 5 days, I draw 10 papers to 11 papers. Akra, a 13-year-old child in BEC average is using 5 days to write 10 to 11 papers in an unconditioned, non-air conditioned room, or try no afaka no coffee no sana bio. Na empenyinfo 19 years echo among universities. More adwene na baby edisua de no fully myelinated cortices, prefrontal cortices. Ebebua no wate ni maso. Womo no omo chro 5 to 7 subjects. Omo de 2 to 3 weeks and actual. What air condition room and a watcher. Ye chana there 13 weeks. Something is wrong.
Yeah.
Presla, something is wrong.
Very, very wrong.
So why are we doing this?
Sometimes, almost say a po, a belly, and a whole, say, and yeah, this week no yeni bibia na my time abema by the because time bema means that it can be circulated well enough, for we. But I don't think say we must make say exams be leaky and all those things to make such a defining decision for children. Those are some of the narratives are yet say, and we must rethink Adiana Yeyen. So these are really young people, 12, 13, 15. People are very, very young and they are writing BEC. And some of the parents also are more jumpy or more mano. And also BEC in JSS2 or Kohe. There is no competition. There is no competition. Me try me bano na me she na de na to school bi mu na we try we yes na de na ko enti some of them go to SS at a young age. They bully them omani nje omonti asie because age ni class no mo sisi ano emfa. Enti I was rethinking this thing that whatever the reason is omo Emma Nkolana through this exam she I think they write 2 papers a day or something.
Yes, mostly 2.
It's encourage one paper cry a day cry. They can have be relaxed and because in the numerator of Akolano the next morning what could show 2 papers and time ben no fee abe rest
abe home no asa
abe didi.
Bresla, this is 36 years.
Yes.
Look, Memechro BEC 1990.
Okay.
This is 36 years. 36 years down the line, what have we learned? Now, what have we learned? Okay, what are you? Universities conducted their own exams. Credible. At the graduate, for 4 years. So, paper leaking in the university, the department will ask the lecturer to reset a new question. I've always been thinking, say, I mean, what are the odds? Just say, at the end now, yen to me, Emma, a school, be a GHS school in a district. Or more assessment. Why do we have to make it a certain standard performance? Be just a ultra at this level. I don't understand. 36 years. What have we learned? It means I see you because you still see and Kurano say, and your man Kurani Nimuno, and you're not a assessing. We are not assessing what in Kurani. Sometimes, Obeta say, teacher found, and Kurana Banamus Yare, Sasami, Meti, 19 could you, me time, you can the same thing. Menameti, me professor. Me time, Sasami, I can say, and cry bay. And I'm on party, and I'm on me time. I'm a tron JHS. BC 36 years ago. Near can the same thing. But I am not a professor. And you are not correct. And Krambi or how owns Yandi. And Krams will be or what or Miss Yandi. Indeed, only enjoys our generalization. Say, and I'm on Yandi, and then Krambi, and I'm there, and Krambi be in Yandi. A bisu is Yandi. But as I say, you have systemic factors. And the place I won't go school. No? What were some of the systemic factors are in the schools? Amma a man cry enya de bakona lady bakon for a kind. Say Obako school. No teacher now I see on child in water. And the who supervise the teacher? What on dear? What you say? Oh, me if I do examination for my students, now me release me results. Before somebody me questions, because I am moderated. Well, be hear questions now, me de kono. Now I have questions when say up to standard. The way I word my question, you better or young kwa or yeah or ton ebe review. When the results name ba, they will review your results. So results here me say, I think you are just awarding marks. And as I say, results and discriminatory. and church say enkrano be a good on the normal cable no valid no. And now resources will be a fairly daddy it cannot be. You can have a class as school for you not fairly. And then class as for you 100%. It's not the normal cave. It is somebody moderated. And it one not to what radius. Ye Tianica na enkrano one chiroma dear. Obi hoko school alcoton gari. Okoton I can say enkatie. Okoton kwelu. Okoton enti oton kokunte opulache. Enti time na also chat na okon e obeso to be. No time ben no money chen kwana de. Pesa. What are some of the factors you will say a teacher factors? Bia from your perspective a bit me ama and cranisua na systemic factors a bit me ama additional confirm.
The first thing America says some of the teachers attitudes no they be our say we live in a culture prescriptive. Okay. It's always munyese do this and you are like this and I will say intino you will just say teachers need be wa ujina not yet a puana there be a tiffy behind a tiffy now teacher no one for cry just open cry if you don't exist cry can open who fear chichi cry so about we share maybe subjects ni be na ya kase maybe me against but some specific subjects who's a teacher na ba say no osibe rura class no crampo no ayem shia ye wo ye mu a nim say sa teacher we die enti attitudes no say emunsuya the you people come and see be you go you see I know that you people nobody will get a good grade. In semni bia o mokika ena me categorization schools ni bia maybe JSS1 more 3 classes A musi JSS1 A class or more muni madie na was a class I also mujai okay nti B good nti A excellent B very good C good and I say average. Okay. From that time no kwampono it's psychological o cha akola say or your average and psychologically no akola no the obeche ni bia no as long as say one it say the average no there's nothing that you will do or baby believe say me meti me etwa enti me ye gbegbe bia na ma pe bia fa you see enti they have to stop it sir categorization say omo muni madie no sometimes it's not enya dia ya can't to it's subtle it's not fixed say this is how it's supposed to be but sana omo ye was so share our class na omo mu di first for no kwa ye can classes na bom omo mu di first to maybe 20 no omo no mu gusa JSS 1A ho na JSS 1B ya ye di 22A no yes susu ye gua and your backbenchers for no dey until enu kwenti no teachers ni bi wo kra oni ibia kra say onye ne ho enkyere sa C class na dey yi because onim say we enu ka mi ko waste me time omo so make we omo hu so what is the point enti attitudes the kind of comments you make your attitude towards the teaching sen kolano would ya ama o dream so they will not perform it no don't do that ena mu so ho na teacher ni bi wo ha maybe kwa akola bi wo ha ena this extra classes so abeya or because of pesikentino or co class or say the rest I'll teach it in extra classes until we syllabus no obi ma me susu ni sika obetua extra classes no into ono aye into extra classes no na chese ono ni pa kono benefit ebi mu ye extra classes o school esa wo fie was studies teachers entino I say or on your best school hey me my study teacher taught me this so they've already taught me ahead of the class Into obeba class no a new topic a teacher na introduce no onim dida no a page nsa no answer question now mo amaka no omo feel say no more the pressure to omo parents so my friend has a study teacher at home, me I don't have some, I have not been so what far when case a study teacher will feel bad maybe ubano struggle in an area or per se or improve it, that's fine. But maths studies teacher and extra classes no enko I said bia so be ni bia only pakona ye disadvantaged in life. Let's teach and teach well. So also we'll cover these 3 topics in 3 weeks for everyone to benefit.
Right.
Do what you have to do. So teacher be contacted on a personal level. Say me by me who say maths no. Me who said this subject of struggle, can you offer some extra in this particular area? That is fine. But don't use extra classes no as a way to disadvantage a man and kolani be enya de also munya. Sana teachers ni be okay. And no one met your extra classes fee and why would you the obey you be a unya school ni be and me call a see girls, me call away. Not just oh dear, we are grade B level. Ye kwa unka be. And it is something I was say share. Now students CBA omunye so good no. Let's include them. The school must take it as an initiative. Say, me who a number of students here they are struggling with certain things.
Okay.
How can we help them? Do they need extra way? Sometimes it's not even the learning they need. They just need a tap on the back.
Right.
Me who say you have improved. Me who say when I was in SS2, I moved from the 18th, the first term. Second term, I was 3rd. The assistant headmistress for academic came to the class and will say, there's a performance that is remarkable. You move from 18 to 3rd. What happened? That's not 2 CDs about fresh.
Okay.
Make I pana afena 2 CDs paper naba fufro. She gave me 5 that day. I will never forget that day. And see, from that, I didn't even think that I would move from that state. I just realized that I think I can do better. I didn't even think I'll get any reward, but I was doing it for my own self. But that day when I saw the 2 CDs, I saw it as then it means that I can keep on doing this. You know, I may not get 2 CDs or some money the next time, but that reward enough that they saw that unkophobia on my yard or met me a movie from such as a identify or be Eddie maybe over the 11th sir or the 20th sir or the 15th. Remarkable. Identify. Oh, you've done well. Is there anything you need? I was a man counselors and it's advocating, not just at the secondary school level, even at the basic level. So, teacher and the counselor does not necessarily have to be a teacher. Say or social studies no say counseling no. Say or no ne jumane say or your counselor for the students. Now church or obia maybe the first, pape the 3rd. And friend and say you are the best. What happened? Now we train him now na competition. Akola bi abaye. It's like they be akola bi channel. Nem parents say ka say enti dey enti na nkwanti a onu so ntimi ntwa sa akola no. Enti ne more every effort a oye no ohun say eye bogus.
Okay.
Because that one child now won't mean ntwa no. Akola na 5 awards. Unya 3 adentina akola no that akola no 2 heads ana so we try yes motivate your child to be the best but your child obano oni obi any competition e wo wiase your child is
oni obi any competition
in life we are not in competition with anybody.
Yo.
And Crampo say ye choose courses. Yes, who choose visual arts? Yes, a mona me visual arts for no, a bonbon for no, or mono a home economics for no, or back.
I don't see a labeling.
Or science.
Oh no, okay then. Oh yeah, where's your no? You are not.
Science now, the quiet, the young way be on way.
Missy young call mass. Young call mass so. Young call moon so. Mention them who are dear. Pie square. And
this is here, I see at 9 to 5. We are 9 to 5. In Suria, why ye a plantain chips a
President, my ever cause a crab. On for 0260196064 0260196065 0260196064 and 0260196065 0260196064 0260196065. Hello. Mama meet you.
Hello, Pacho, good morning.
Good morning, Kasa.
Pacho, Sompa.
Sompa Rhapsody.
Pacho, the TN said, to send ministry go school gratis. But I can't now all years after a prayer, they years after. And one say, I got doctor, a quality chapona for me, other partner, work register now. Why? I can't the bad because no, I'm a papa. Only serious or the Yakoto will be changed, made by a common so far. If you are sometimes, to say education or Mama is equal is Ghana say, now Moko, Alana Circle or Madensi. I hear me with that. If you ever go with me, you have to see me so to say Accra. May start a class to the family. This idea that my home, you know, is with the mother for private. Maybe my private to me, idea Macono. And yes, I did with you. Oh, when you go, bread and Kasa. And to me, in Qualano, every COVID time, you almost
okay. Oh, Zawalana say you. Kuse.
So, therefore, to be true, let me soon not be say, not mammy, what in a baba and a dead thing. I'm a question, easy. It's a, you know, send me on my school, no, a government school, no, at that work, but it's just a Shem Alano. So, it is a sense and Qualano for SS now. Now, and Qualana, any serial to know, for a ha, and Qualana, almost bomb home again, home because I have free education. It's a war over here, uncle, or one of our uncle. But what would do banner for private, you know? Private tenants almost say, oh, what you almost say, you know, a command government. It's about the government school, where that is school. For your mom has. And that is the daddy. In the new Canadian film of Salat, your brother called night or no. And yet is a president educating or a son of a baby as a new final. And yet is it's a radical more I am.
Hello.
Hello.
Mama.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mate.
Oh, said they were cast a piece of almost
Ma oneso kakra. Oneso. Okay.
Any district and a class or especially KG class.
You. You.
what number of exercises is a year. And this are officers live by the year. And the you and you say, I bet that day, no amount of exercise, and therefore 1 day. Your banner is output of work and then another. Obey it, now when you exercise, you will be at the council, not just any so. Okay. And look at the education office. Woman on back that if you women, you know, a camel, a more and more crano. And our parents also, they bring a new cum of frano. After that, every beginning of our parents know, or more will be said, you're in too. Right. Oba Buana correction or no. On Jim, 1 way you call those to do at them, and I said, obey BBSL. If you Colano war, how would you say? Another one said, that's none of your your train notes, you say, Namik Rabia, the yen notes, Namia Mamma Frano. They say, I see exercise, one more tells me at it. Almost already on Jack. And I knows to know. Oh, your man knows me. And I orange rattle. I don't know. We really know what train on their coat. On trap, no, I read it. I think I say, no, book no back one. Or very dear of friend now, or my woman knows. And you're been up for anything. And here is so many.
Name on Shida, Mamma, a Sompa, Infa, when Mefa, Bacopa Kahona, where do you see? Machokasa. Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
I have a free Emma.
You.
I'm not facilitator now, but I have advocated for. Those have been my concern, seriously, with a lot of schools. There's a particular school, I don't know how I can appreciate.
Okay.
I have my kids there. They start classes 6 a.m. They pay.
Okay.
Then when they close at 3, they do another 2 extra classes between 4 and 5. And then 6 o'clock. And that one they pay. My sister is not happy with it. I've called the teacher, I've spoken with the teacher. At least one of the periods, which is between the 5 and 6. 1 hour. What is it? The child has studied from 6 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Whatever he has to achieve, I don't think that hour can change it, can make a difference. That is African school, African school. I have spoken with them, they are not understanding it, and it is compulsory. 6 extra private classes before they start the normal classes. They close at 3. Then they push them to do another extra classes. Wow. Just 6 o'clock. What is a child learning?
Wow. Wow.
I mean, the 1 hour, even the 4 to 5, they just allow, because you are studying from, they close at 3, you push them to study to 4. Then another private class from 4 to 6. And I said that hour, it will not make any difference. The child has studied from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. I mean, they were changing and they were finishing.
Yeah, that's it.
And the end of the birthday, BC classes, they should stop it. If you have to take 3 classes in one school, you can give them Elizabeth, some names are very encouraging, and Mary, and for the 3 class, give them those names. Don't give them A, B, C, and DSS 1, DSS 1A, DSS 1B, DSS 1. Don't give it Elizabeth, Mary, that kind of thing. instead of categorizing it into
yo, I say, everything here. I mean, shop. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Daddy. What's your name?
But you're trying to tell everybody else.
That is what I'm going to coupon and Amen. So I'm saying one very important point about how the exams don't colano and yet this or molecular exams no. It's very good point for because in Colano time we used to 30 years. Now I quite remember say they know now you're starting on Wednesday. You're starting on Wednesday. And yeah weekend no. Monday so Monday rest day because they are about Tuesday. Now you be on I think Wednesday or the Thursday. In the better buying an education for no send they are to me actually mama Colano because in Colano if you you know na ya botre for after na all time coffee after the stress so man they be almost no examination center. I was some travel could be stress man Colano. As time goes on, you could know your best friend penny for no moon shelter no be on this man in Colano. And they are throughout the 5 days probably short 10 subjects in the subject no. A hard day because in Colabana and say no and this first yeah no. If you are more limited or more the game is Yambo and a day on the application.
I mean, sure, it was for a Hannah a brain, a my a quine. Na anymore, it is Uncle Morinka say, perfect baby diapers, and now as summer son or say, our for more hemumba. Na a crown of Junsana, a fa home, na a beer, Ujan Nanson, a fa home, say, wouldn't how be a beer, say, nobody be a begaswa, Ubiano. Shopping beer, shopping more beer, and marketplace beer. MD4 at home. I shall so the Timon, which I say, Magiatum from where 0531 0998 89 0531 0998 89 and I say 030 395 7965 0303 95 7965. Perfect baby diapers. Or share a bowl mahon a bimpa. I feel just bread and pastries, as I say, men cow, said Okoi, if you might see or say I want the just hot kinky at the abejaso, just bread and pastries. Nasa kinky back in 3 cities. Clean, omo ye ho adwuma under hygienic conditions or chere say delivery no ye kama papa obeso de be kwa yi obeso de be kwa event kwasa fudwuma bulk purchases are available from 02560 688 32025 60688 32 Just Bakery Ewodome behind the Ghana Commercial Bank. Or say, make your kinky experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot kinky. I was for a hundred berry at my quine. Now, Sankomoy maybe twasso, wiki made boha, tinipa. Kenya, Womwe sa so called, and I do Jena, or my year free or pam. No child is bad from junior secondary school by examination. Na me pipe mu pa and omaya omo afiase niema Kenya, Finland, England, Estonia, Amagana. Yedesa ye may trouble and ye create my may. But so what Timina mamma, Montini pa me. We are ja, we are now. Please listen to me. Name me and son of me here, so by listen to me. 1. And can't assembly a tia ubano ne shebre. Tini about Do not assess the value of your child based on examination. And don't condemn their destiny based on examination. By from so. And tijai. Mo amokasa mo tie uye mo yitu uye ma bon. Munjai. And year one. Number 2. Chira Wabana said life is not about competition.